Hello crafty friends, Shana from ShanoukiArt. I wanted to share with you the latest goodies that I've received from Taperlogy. I'll put a link to the website in the description box below. There will also be a code that you can use to get a 15% discount. Their little parcels are always beautifully wrapped. This one is stapled with a pretty lace. I'm just going to cut the cellophane open. There's some beautiful printed doily style papers inside. There are different shapes with different scalloped edges. There's mainly images of birds in different colors and different styles. There's rectangles, squares, and some circle ones. These are beautiful to use in your junk journals. They've also included a little calendar book for 2024. This book has 365 pages, one for each day of the year, and each one has got a different image. Beautiful flowers, botanicals, little vintage people. I love using these and putting them in my little pockets of my journals. Also great to use for embellishment stacks. This one is labeled Afternoon Tea and it's come in a pretty vellum envelope, and I'm really loving the sticker with the number stamp on. I'm going to use that somewhere. And inside we have a beautiful collection of shabby chic style stickers with teacups and flowers. I love that the colors are more muted and that the sticker is not shiny. It's more like a washi tape style. Some more stickers hiding in there. I'm looking forward to using these in upcoming projects. There is also a postcard style card with some teacups printed on it. This little parcel has some beautiful fabric butterflies, but what I really love about them is that some of them have got a little diamante center where their body is, and I'm absolutely loving the bling. A beautiful variety of colors that are so delicate and will look beautiful in the projects. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see me using all these beautiful products. This one wrapped up really tight. This is a beautiful pack of Hessian style ribbons. Different designs with different trims on the end. These would look great on page edges, as tabs, or as part of embellishments. They have so many uses, and I have 8 different designs. This one I was struggling to find the end, but you can get the idea of what the pattern looks like. These really suit a vintage style really well. This little pack has got some beautiful fibers. Each card is a different color and there's approximately 4 to 6 different fibers per card. So when you unravel them to use them, you'll be unraveling about the 4 to 6 different threads from each card. You can use them on their own, or I like using them all together to create a beautiful texture. Some of these have got sequins in, there's some beads and pearls. This one is super fluffy. There's a great variety. Now these trims are pretty interesting. Also in a variety of colors. They are like a plaited vine with leaves on. I'm looking forward to finding a way to use these. And of course included is some silver. This pack has had a lot of bling. And then we have the latest designs of the rub-on stickers. I have used these Taperlogy rub-on stickers before in different designs. I really love using them because they don't have a shine like most stickers do, and they're really easy to use and they're great to be used on fabric. This set includes some beautiful soft colored flowers and botanicals. And then you also get a piece of Calico fabric to be used mainly with the rub-on stickers. I really hope you enjoyed this video, seeing all the beautiful items from Taperlogy. I will be using them in future videos, so do check back to see how they get used. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Happy creating, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.